Well, this ought to be fun, or at least interesting. My old friend mentioned that he has this old Compaq that he hasn't used for like 2 decades, and of course I was instantly intrigued and wanted to see it. The Compaq in question is a Presario 9538. Originally it had a 90 MHz Pentium processor, 8 MB of SIM RAM and 1.05 GB hard drive. I'm going to strip it all down, clean it up, make a couple of upgrades and make it run again. So, let's get to it. So this is quite dusty. I can tell exactly where he kept this machine for all those years, because this thing smells precisely like a boiler room. Back in the day, my friend updated this PC with a 200 MHz Pentium CPU and added these 2 16 MB SIM sticks in there. And also he installed this Orchid Righteous 3D accelerator, which is a 4 MB Voodoo 1 card. The hard drive is missing, which is fine because I would have replaced it with something else anyway. So let's rip it all down. As much as I hate using these old PSUs such as this, I really don't have a choice because Compaq use these really Compaq-y power connectors. So, but on the upside, someone told me that these Compaq PSUs were a lot better than average PSUs back in the day. So there's that. Get into retro computers, they said. This is so violent. Easy does it. Come on. Oh, yeah. You. Why does it have to be? This is so annoying. Yeah. I'm not gonna need this. Absolutely no use for this. that's it for part 1. Part 2 will be released eventually, I don't know. First I'll have to figure out how to boot this piece of shit.